Health technology assessment of awake surgery versus traditional surgery in brain tumor resection, clinical, economic and patient-centered perspectives. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The present study describes the application of health technology assessment, HTA, in a highly specialized branch such as neurosurgery. Analyzing technological evolution in the field of the removal of brain tumors. And comparisons between the most advanced techniques from not only a scientific point of view, but also managerial. It highlights clinical benefits such as reduced post-operative deficits and higher patient satisfaction with AWS. It addresses the cost-effectiveness of AWS compared to TS, making it relevant for healthcare budgeting and hospital resource allocation. It underscores the role of multidisciplinary teamwork, which is crucial for modern neurosurgical procedures. HTA aims to evaluate clinical and technical performance, safety, cost and cost-effectiveness, implementation of a possible organizational pool, ethical and social consequences, highlighting advantages and disadvantages, thus involving both patient and citizen in the evaluation process. A total of 13 consecutive patients, in which an awake surgery was indicated, were enrolled in this study. The age was between 20 to 70 years, 8 men and 5 women. The histological diagnosis was glioblastoma in 9 and anaplastic astrocytoma in 4. The interaction with the surgeon during the operation greatly reassures the patient, who is thus encouraged and motivated, making them an integral part of their procedure. The patient is aware that his collaboration increases the success of the procedure. The reduction of post-operative deficits reduces the need for rehabilitation, speech therapy, and physiokinesitherapy, reducing hospitalization times and lowering costs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.